Lee, Englewood is such a beautiful place.
Well, thank you, Alan. I get a lot of comments from folks telling me how much I must love coming to work, and it's true. It's a lot of challenges with organic farming, but it's a beautiful place to work.
Yeah, it really is. You know, ag tourism has become so popular in the country. People have gotten really connected to this idea of where their food comes from. They want to go and physically see those places. And do you see it growing?
I do, Alan, and we feel like it's important for us to do things to attract people out. So once a month we'll have live music. We'll do a pig roast at some point during the year.
I know this year you all are going to have a corn maze for the first time.
That's right. We're very excited. We've just developed the route to get through, to get lost in.
The maze itself.
That's right, the maze itself.
Ryan, this is quite an exciting day out here at Englewood.
It absolutely is. It absolutely is. I mean, this is the first time a corn maze has been in central Louisiana in years and years, and this is kind of the very beginning of it.
I think that a lot of people are curious about how you actually do a work of art this long. I mean, this is land art.
Right. So I was myself rather unsure about the process, Alan. I imagined something where I'm telling someone to turn left and turn right to cut into the corn, but there's a specific GPS-style tractor that comes out here, has this very beautiful pattern with the Englewood Farm name in it and all that sort of stuff. And
right.
It'll be cut like that.
Sounds like we're firing up and getting ready to plant some seed. How many acres will the corn maze encompass here in this, what was just recently a cow pasture?
What you see right now is about a 10-acre portion.
Okay.
The corn will be a total of 6 acres. And then if you might see across the way, we'll have a pumpkin patch right next to the corn maze as well.
I noticed that, yeah. The little pumpkins are up. Well, you know, with a piece of equipment that large, it won't take long to plant this 10 acres.
It'll be a short job, and it'll be, you know, something that's going to be, you know, a great thing for the community. This is our first night. We're expecting really big crowds. It's a really exciting time for us. I know so far we've already had 2,500 students booked for field trips, which for us means that the community is really into this. They're excited about it. They want to get out here, they want to support their farm, and they want to have fun doing it. The process of growing the corn has been simultaneously easy and not easy at the same time. We probably could have totally stopped at an 8-acre corn maze. That probably wouldn't have been too bad of a deal. But we wanted this to be like a place where people could stop and rest and maybe have a bite to eat and talk to people. So, you know, we've got some horseback rides from Hazy Days Ranch out of Forest Hill, Louisiana, just right down the road. We've got some jumpers from Slide Away Inflatables. That's a local company as well. Vendors behind you, all local people, local food. Englewood Farm is a part of that community. We're not just a farm that sells produce. I mean, we're a farm that gives produce back to the community, gives money back to the community, gives experiences back to the community, and like wants to cultivate that relationship.